Hi, and welcome to another video on ImagR. In this video we will show how good the new Marcin algorithm works. To use the Marcin algorithm you will need ImagR Online Prime or ImagR Offline. We attached both product links in the video description. So let's start. We will engrave these 3 images with the Marcin algorithm. Let's start with the woman. First of all, we have to upload the image on ImagR. Now I will crop the unnecessary area with the crop tool. Next step is to resize the image. I will use 150mm on the bigger side, the shorter side will calculate automatically. For DPI I will use 231, since this is the correct DPI for my CO2 laser. If you're not sure about your DPI, check the video in the upper corner. Great, now we can move over to materials. I will engrave my images on wood, so I will click first on the Marcin tab and then choose Marcin wood. Last step is to save the processed image. In my case I will go with a PNG file. Now we can restart the process for the other 2 images. It is basically exactly the same as I did before, so I will speed it up a little bit. Great! After we saved all of our 3 converted images, we can now open our laser program, in my case RDWorks. I will open the image settings in RDWorks with a double click on the image top right. The only thing I have to change here is the step interval. In my case I need 0.11mm, since I use 231 DPI. You can check the step interval on the scan gap page on ImagR. As you see, next to 231 DPI it shows 0.11mm, which is the correct number for these DPI setting. This is really important to get good results, as well as the distance from your laser to your material. I will also attach a video for finding out the distance in the upper corner. Great. Now we just have to start the task and see how it turns out. I really like the Marcin algorithm. I get really good results with it with basically no effort. Now let us engrave the other two images. They also turned out phenomenal. You should really give it a try for your next projects. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, leave a comment and a like, and we will see you hopefully in the next video. Bye.